What's the meaning of CAP? CAP. CAP.
CAP. CAP. CAP can refer to various things depending on the context, such as capitalization, a type of headwear, a form of assessment for college admissions, or a limit on data usage. In the context of computing, CAP stands for consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. This refers to the trade-offs involved in designing distributed systems that can maintain all three qualities at the same time. Maintaining consistency and availability while tolerating partition failures is a difficult balancing act, requiring careful architecture and design decisions.